Our 9 and 10 garden is coming along nicely. We're keeping it watered and all is looking well. But it's really still too early to harvest anything. So today Tom is out in the yard talking trees and shrubs.
Welcome back to Northern Michigan. We're here at Heritage House adding some fruit to the land. And Justin, we got the tree ready to go. And what do we need to add to the soil to make it ready to really blossom this thing?
Yeah, so we have a tree and shrub mix. It has dairy dew in there. It's got Tennessee brown rock, gypsum, sphagnum peat. It's a well-designed mix for doing trees and shrub.
All right, so all we do is put some down right now?
Yep, so we're gonna throw some in the bottom of the hole, just a little bit to bring it up where we need to. And as we spread that out, make sure the tree goes in like it needs to, yep.
Compact a little bit?
Compact a little bit. And we'll kind of guesstimate where we're supposed to be.
Okay.
So always with your trees, if you could cut those roots a little bit, just so they can stop root bounding on themselves. And then we'll put it in the hole.
All right. Okay. Some more of that in there?
Yep, I may have to raise it up just a little bit.
Okay.
There we go.
Add some more, add some dirt mixing together,
yep,
right?
We're gonna add some dirt. So what I wanna go into a little bit with when digging a hole, especially in Northern Michigan, we have really sandy soil like this. And it's important to put the tree and shrub around that, mix it in with this, and then also put the tree and shrub where the drip line is gonna go in the years to come. Because what will happen is that roots will go into this nice soil, but then when it hits the sand wall, it's gonna stop and it'll start going around and around. So what we want to do is make sure we know where the tree is going to go in the future and give outside that hole a little love too with some tree and shrub. As that nutrient goes down, it'll help feed that plant.
Gotcha.
A tree.
So it doesn't take that long, but takes a bit of effort.
That's right, yep. So we'll put some in there and mix it together.
And looking pretty good. And next week, talking about food plots, hunters, how you can make your land better for the deer.